Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable call waiting on Android phone. If at the end of this video guys, you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now guys, how do you disable call waiting on your Android phone? Meaning that when you are on a call and don't want any other call to disturb your calls, that means you have to disable call waiting on your phone. So for you to do that, first thing to do is open up your phone app. Now from there guys, come to this setting app. When you click on it, it will bring you to this page. Now scroll up and get to career features. Under this career features, it will now bring you to this caller account. From there, click on your number. Then after that, click on additional settings. You can see under this additional settings, we have two options. We have caller ID and we have call waiting as the second option. You can see this one is enabled already. During a call, notify me of incoming calls. If you disable it, that means another calls won't be able to enter your number when you're on a call. So guys, that is how to disable call waiting on Android phone. If you find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, give it a thumbs up and turn the notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys in the next video.